अच्छा यार, you come from an educated background. I mean, you studied in England, you moved back. So there is a life of Shivangi Dutt, ठीक है? Then there is this Instagram life of Shivangi Dutt, ठीक है? जो भाई मैं बताना चाहती हूँ मेरी ज़िंदगी में आजकल ये चल रहा है, ठीक है? ठीक है? एंड सिमिलरली आई कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड, मैं इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड का हूँ, मैंने मास्टर्स IIT दिल्ली से किया और मैं पॉडकास्ट बना रहा हूँ, ये डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड, और मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ और पुटअप कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी पुटअप कर रहा हूँ जो मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं है. तो डू यू थिंक इंस्टाग्राम पे जो हम पुटअप कर रहे हैं दोज आर फेक थिंग्स?
No, I think it's just taking aspects of yourself and being like, this is the focus I want to have. And you can also, interestingly enough, change that focus. Let's say you're putting spirituality stuff right now, and then at some point you started transitioning into sports. But that is your choice. You're like, this is my interest now, this is what I want to put out. You know, for your reasons, whatever it may be. Similarly, for me, beauty is my everything on Instagram. It's like, I'm a beauty person. Whereas when you meet me in real life and you see the way I dress or how I just like don't put makeup on for days, then you'll be like, hey, oh, are you even makeup artist? Like, this is because it's like a light shining on you through social media that, oh, this is the way we see you.
Then why don't you promote that on your Instagram?
Like what?
कि casual, be yourself. नहीं, that's what I'm saying. तभी मैंने आपको genuine बोला, क्योंकि ना the way you walked in pajamas and you're sitting in pajamas, I'm not sure camera capture कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, but you're sitting in pajamas cross leg. I love the way you are carrying yourself. ठीक है, you're not portraying or you're not even figuring out कि यार मुझे कैसा लगेगा as a guest, अरे I need to carry that image. You get that point? You don't give an F to it. Agreed?
Yeah.
तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि चलो लेट्स इसको और सिंपल करता हूँ. डिफाइन मी शिवांगी दत्त, जेन्युइन शिवांगी दत्त. कौन है शिवांगी दत्त? इंस्टाग्राम क्या भाड़ में?
हाँ, इंस्टाग्राम के अलावा तो मैं बहुत कुछ ही हूँ यार. एंड आई एम जस्ट अ गर्ल फिगरिंग आउट हर लाइफ. माई प्राइमरी थिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ इसकी मुझे मस्ती पसंद है. So जहाँ मस्ती नहीं है वहाँ मुझे नहीं होना.
What is मस्ती मतलब?
मस्ती is like something that keeps me amused, keeps me on a more upbeat in life, where things are lighter, less heavy. That doesn't mean I can't feel depth or you know I avoid situations that are difficult, but it's like an over outlook. I just like to be and feel like a lighter person. I like to be as much as myself as I can be on a daily basis. मैं अपने आप को कोई बॉक्स में नहीं डालना चाहती कि मैं ऐसी हूँ और मैं यही ऐसी ही रहूँगी. It's like right now I've come in pajamas, but maybe if I knew that okay you'll be shooting like full form, I would have come with a different energy, you know. So I also went through your videos. I'm like अच्छा ठीक है तो ऊपर ऊपर का लेता है. So let me just be as comfortable as I can. So I think I'm the type of person I like to like not change but maneuver around the situations I'm in, and it feels playful. I'd say I'm playful.
What is the craziest thing you have done?
I don't think I've done that many crazy things. I think I'm quite normal.
ये ना सबसे अजीब सा क्वेश्चन है वैसे देखा जाए तो.
हाँ.
कि मतलब सबकी क्रेजीस्ट चीज अलग चीज होती है. मतलब something which went out of your comfort zone.
Going out of my comfort zone is something I did this year, which is moving out of Delhi. So I think.
Are you a rebel kid?
No.
You look rebel.
Really?
Yes.
I don't feel like I'm rebellious at all. I feel like I've like you know एक good phase आता है teenage में when you rebel. मैं चीज़ें करती थी जो मुझे शायद अलाउड नहीं थी या मेरे पेरेंट्स को पसंद नहीं आती, बट मैं चुपचाप करती थी. मैं लड़ झगड़ के कुछ नहीं करती थी. So I never took myself as like under the rebellious tag. I'm like कि मुझे जो करना है वो तो मैंने करना ही है. अब वो मैं झूठ बोल के करूँ, वो मैं लड़ झगड़ के करूँ, but it's always easier because it's like I had an older brother, right? And he in my eyes was a rebel. Like he would always like you know if there was disagreement he would want to prove his point and everything, and I saw that and I was like this is not my style. I don't want to prove my point. I just want to do what I have to do and get my way. And I feel like I have carried that into my adulthood also with slightly better communication. I'm still like learning, but ऐसा मुझ में कुछ वो नहीं है कि मुझे लड़ झगड़ के कुछ करना है. I do whatever I feel is right.
How has been your childhood?
Childhood has been interesting. The major like child years were super fun. I had a lot of kids in my colony who were my best friends. मुझे बचपन से ऐसे like भगवान ने ना ऐसे लाइक फ्रेंड्स गिफ्ट्स की तरह दे दिए थे कि जैसे मैं पैदा हुई मैं 1-2 साल की होंगी और वही मेरे फ्रेंड्स आज तक मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड वही है जो मैं आई थिंक 2 साल की थी तब बनी थी. और
नेम?
रागिनी.
Hi Ragini.
Yeah, Tragedy, my bestie. I reach out to her on Instagram a lot as Tragedy, my bestie. So I feel like कि friendship I took for granted for many years. And because बस दोस्त थे, कभी बनाने की नीड नहीं पड़ी, schools कभी बदले नहीं, तो बस ऐसी दोस्ती होती गई. And so my initial years were very good. School, when I turned in, like when I became teenager, that's when things got like weird and rocky. Because I became like slightly popular in school, there was a lot of gossip around me.
For what?
And for anything, just like maybe the way I carried myself, maybe the way.
How मतलब कैसे carry करते थे, like colored hair?
Colored hair तो उस टाइम नहीं होते थे.
अच्छा.
पर हाँ, जैसे मैं काजल लगाती थी, मेरी स्कर्ट हमेशा छोटी होती थी.
That's a traits of a rebel kid, like.
But that's what I'm telling you, like internally.
You were not rebel.
I was like, I used to see myself like that. My mom was always into like beauty and fashion, right? Like जब मैं 2-3 साल की थी तब मेरी इतनी फोटोज मम्मा ने खींची हुई है मुझे स्टाइलिंग करके, ट्यूब टॉप पहना के, कभी पार्क में फोटोज, कुछ भी हो रहा है, ठीक है. तो मेरे लिए ये नॉर्मल था, like looking good. It was like a normal thing. So जब मैं यूनिफॉर्म भी पहन रही हूँ, I want to look good. It was as simple as that. And if wearing my skirt down to my knees is looking not good to me, I don't want to do that. And not that I'm looking down at any other girl wearing that. It's their comfort level. But मेरे लिए I was comfortable wearing a shorter skirt. And I was the type of girl जो अगर teacher बोलेगी भी कि ये नहीं करना है, I'd be like अच्छा ठीक है, एक दिन पहन के आ जाती हूँ लंबी skirt and अगले दिन back to normal. But interestingly, now that you're saying that I sound like a rebel, now that I'm saying it out loud, I'm like, yeah, like these are traits of a rebel kid. But I'm like a soft rebel. Yeah, and then through my teen years, school got a bit rocky, but still fun. My childhood overall, I'd say, was
Good.
Very good, yeah.